Hello G, a warm welcome from Jigisha. Today, let's make a stunning Rakhi for a loving brother. So quickly grab a glitter foam sheet and cut it into a square. Glitter sheets are available in a variety of shades. I have selected white. Now, let's make a picture of Lord Ganesha using a permanent marker pen. You may use a CD or DVD marker pen. Glitter foam sheets are available in two varieties. One is self-adhesive and the other is not. Here I have selected the self-adhesive. The sketch is over and now let's mark it with a 3D outliner. Again, these are available in shades like golden, silver and black. I have selected the golden shade. Though it may not be visible to you, but once it dries up completely, it will be clearly visible. Give enough time for this 3D outliner to dry completely. It has dried up thoroughly and now it's time to fill glass colors. Use a clean cotton swab to spread these glass colors. Glass colors are also available in a variety of shades. They are available in packets small and big as well as individuals. This means you can purchase even a single bottle. For my Rakhi, I have selected 4 colors: red, blue, green and yellow. So I purchased only 4 bottles. I'm quite fond of glass colors and that's why I have tried them out on several surfaces. Are you interested in watching my other videos on glass painting? Then do check the description box. There I've included a link to the playlist of glass coloring videos. Alright, now instead of an earbud, you can also use a regular paintbrush for spreading the colors. Don't forget to burst those tiny little bubbles that are formed with any pointed object like a safety pin. Give sufficient time for the glass colors to dry up completely, maybe a day or two. There are 2 variants of glass colors: water-based glass colors and solvent-based glass colors. If you are working on a budget, then water-based glass colors should be your choice because solvent-based glass colors are comparatively costly. Because they are of superior quality. Even foam sheets are available as glitter and non-glitter. These are also available in packets, a packet of a dozen sheets or even loose, that is a single sheet. You are free to make your own choices. Are you aware that glass colors are also available in 2 varieties, the plain and the glitter shades? Here I have selected the non-glitter shades. I enjoyed making it. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If so, do give a thumbs up because your likes stir smiles. Also, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to tap that bell icon to stay tuned with us. Now it's time for a little more decoration. Here I have used flat back crystal stripes. Though these are self-adhesive, I have noticed that the glue used in these flat backs is not that durable. So I would suggest to apply a regular glue while using these crystal strips. You can also use our regular kundans. They are available in various shapes and colors. like the one which I have used for the crown of Ganpati Bappa. And my Rakhi of Lord Ganesha is almost ready. For tying it on the wrist, I have used a red satin ribbon. You may use any dory, string, cord of your choice. To attach the ribbon, simply peel off the sticker of the foam sheet from the back side just halfway and then place the ribbon on it and close the sticker. Again, you may use extra glue if you like. Press it properly and it's ready to flaunt on your bro's wrist. This Raksha Bandhan, which I think falls on 15th August this year. So wishing you and your brother a happy Rakhi from the team of Artisans for You. It's a bye for now. See you soon. Take care of yourself and your brother.